In this series of videos, we'll cover how to add haptic feedback and vibration to your Unity mobile game using the Hapthicks asset available from the Asset Store via the link in the description. In this video specifically, I'll walk you through how to install Hapthicks, which files are essential to keep, and which ones are just examples and samples. Finally, we'll open the example scene and take a look at the Hapthick Editor. After clicking the Import button, we wait until Hapthicks is fully imported. And here we go, we have the Hapthicks folder right here. This folder is important. All the scripts inside the editor folder are essential and should be kept. In the Plugins folder, both iOS and Android subfolders are essential to keep. Next is the Resources folder. This one contains images used inside the Hapthick Editor, so it's better to keep it as well. Now we have the Runtime folder. This one contains really important scripts. Do not delete them. Other folders are not essential. They are sample files, and you can remove them if you want. For example, the Scripts folder includes UI scripts used in the sample scene. And inside the Sample Haptics folder, you'll find 4 sample haptics: 3 tap, from sound, long curve, and smooth rise. Inside the scene folder, there's a sample scene. Double-click it, and here you go. We've got our sample scene open. Let's switch to simulator view to see it better. Now let's finish this video by opening the Hapthick Editor. To do that, go to the Tools menu in the top bar and click on Hapthick Editor. Here we go. This is the start page of the Hapthick Editor. You can click on the Documentation button to access written documentation. Click on Tutorial videos to, watch tutorials, but you're already watching one, so that button's feeling kinda redundant right now. Also, Hapthicks has a free companion iOS and Android app that you can download from the App Store or Google Play. You can use it to test and feel your haptics instantly, just by scanning a QR code. Isn't that great? Okay, time's up. See you later.